Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for third semester. And today's onwards, we are going to take online classes. And first few days, we are going to take the bridge class, means a basic knowledge about the botany, and that is related to your syllabus. So in this semester, what you are going to study, that basic knowledge we have to first take, that is a bridge course. So first of all, we are start from the plant kingdom, and this plant kingdom categorized into mainly two parts. One is cryptogam, another one is the phanerogamia or cryptogamia and phanerogamia. So under the cryptogamia, that it is also called as non-flowering plants, means in this category the plants which do not bears the flowers, so these are said to be what, cryptogamia. And first of means the plant origin in the earth, that is they are the cryptogams. Under that, again three categories. First one is Thallophyta, second one is Bryophyta, and third one is Pteridophyta. And next is under the Thallophyta there are bacteria, algae, fungi, lichens. Students, see here. So first the bacteria is originated on the earth, and after the bacteria next comes the algae, and after that the next one is fungi and lichens. These are the first originated on the earth: bacteria, algae, fungi, lichens. And these are the unicellular organisms. Bacteria, algae, these are the unicellular organisms, and next fungi, lichens. So how from the base, how they are developed, they are next group comes, that is, they are the multicellular organisms. So bacteria, algae, unicellular. So first originated living organisms, they are the unicellular organisms, and they first originated on the earth. So bacteria, algae, fungi, and lichens. And after that, again the different plants originated on the earth, they are the Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. So here Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta comes, and lastly these are comes under the what, they are the non-flowering plants, means these all plants do not bearing the flowers. So that's why these are said to be what, cryptogamia. And the next part is phanerogamia, means these bears the flowers, and these are also called as flower bearing plants, phanerogamia. These are categorized again into two kinds. One is gymnospermae and angiospermae. So here mainly the angiosperms, these are the fruit bearing plants, and gymnospermae, these are the naked seeded plants. These are naked seeded plants. And under the, and mainly we are, how we are defining here, angiosperms are the flower and fruit bearing plants, but gymnosperms do not bear the flower, but only consisting of what, seeds. So these are naked seeded plants. And under the angiosperms there are two categories: monocots and dicots. So see students here, what is that, the flowering mainly the flower bearing plants we are considering here angiosperms. You remember this, angiosperms are only the plants which bears the what, flower, that is a true flower and fruit bearing plants, they are the top level angiosperms. And here gymnosperms, they do not having the flower. And next is under the angiospermae there are two categories, and that is monocots and dicots. Monocot means a single seeded or single cotyledon, it having a single cotyledon, and dicots means di means two. So these plants having the seeds, that is a dicots. So this is what the first plant kingdom, how that is divided, cryptogamia and phanerogamia. So in your syllabus you are going to study in detail about from the algae to up to the pteridophyte. See here, first is algae. So what are the algae? Algae, these are mainly, that is mostly aquatic, some being terrestrial also, and a few algae grow on other plants. Aquatic algae grow in marine water or fresh water, and they may be small, unicellular, microscopic like, that is a chlorella. Examples are there, chlorella and chlamydomonas. And some are multicellular, means these are unbranched and filamentous like Spirogyra and Ulothrix. So like this, these are categorized into unicellular and multicellular. Algae are very small, microscopic. These we cannot see under our naked eyes. So under microscope only we can see these. So this is what about the algae. And next is bryophyte. So I already told you the base first originated, that is a unicellular algae, and after that how the complexity in the structure developed. So that is nothing but what evolution. So how evolution took place, like that complexity in structures also developed in plants. So example, after the algae is a very small unicellular organism, and after that the next plants develop, that is called as a bryophyta. So these are mostly terrestrial plants which depends on external water for fertilization and completion of their life cycle. So hence they are called as amphibian plants. These are living in moist, or these develop in the moist content, grow in shady and moist places such as moist walls, dump rocks, moist soil, and on decaying logs. And they show thalloid plant body which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Students, remember here, after the unicellular organism, the first developed plants, they are the bryophytes, and these are a very minute in structure. These are very minute in structure,